Paris has a variety of museums, theaters, and monuments built over the centuries, such as the Eiffel Tower, the Arc de Triomphe, the Louvre Museum, and the Palace of Versailles. Paris is one of the largest art centers in the world, with a large number of museums that house paintings by the most prominent international artists. The city's cuisine also has a global reputation, attracting the world's most famous chefs. Paris and its suburbs include the most prestigious French schools and universities, as well as the headquarters of the largest French newspapers, such as Le Monde, Le Figaro, and Libération. Paris is home to Paris Saint-Germain Football Club and the Stade de France, built to host the 1998 FIFA World Cup trademark symbol. The city annually hosts the Roland Garros tennis tournament. Paris is characterized by the diversity and quality of transportation. The city has two major international airports, Charles de Gaulle International Airport and Paris-Orly Airport. The Paris Metro, which opened in 1900, serves about 9 million passengers daily.
Many Londoners enjoy going to the high-end street markets, which sell everything from fresh fruits and vegetables to rare jewelry and antiques. Popular street markets include Middlesex Road on the eastern edge of the city, Brick Street Market in Soho, and Portobello Road Market, near Kensington Gardens. One of the most popular mass sports is football, and there are several professional clubs, which play in the Football League, which runs from August to April, and the most important matches are played at Wembley Stadium, which has a capacity of about 80,000 spectators. These include football finals and international matches. Another popular sport is amateur rugby, with the match season running from September to April, and World Rugby matches taking place at Twickenham Rugby Courts in Richmond on the River Thames. Some of the city's most famous landmarks are Big Ben Tower, also known as the Clock Tower because of its famous Big Ben clock, Tower of London Bridge, the first bridge built in the city over the Thames River. St. Paul's Cathedral, the most important church in London, Westminster Abbey. It has the tombs of the kings of the country, Palace of Westminster, or the British Parliament building that contains the House of Commons and the House of Lords.